Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Coinbase wallet. So without further ado, let's start. First, go to your web browser and then search for how to withdraw money from Coinbase wallet. And then you can see here this first option, cash out your balance. Just tap on that. And then it will direct you here. Cash out your balance. You can see right here the step-by-step process on how you can withdraw money from Coinbase wallet. First, you want to go and sign in to your account. And then the first option that you want to do is to sell cryptocurrency for cash. In that way, you can withdraw money from Coinbase wallet. To do that, you want to go to your assets and then click the asset you'd like to cash out. And then from cash out tab, enter the amount you want to cash out and then click on continue. And then select your cash out destination and then tap on continue. After that, click cash out now to complete your transfer. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.